What's up guys, Revline89 here. So today I got a little special video coming for you guys. Today we are, well, I guess let me do a quick backstory. So for, oh good lord, Christmas or my wife's birthday, I think it was, I'm not sure, either for Christmas last year or my wife's birthday, I got her a spoiler for the back of her car, her Mazda 3. And now I'm finally, I know, shame on me, finally getting around to putting it on myself. So, you know, as long as I have the tools to do it, we'll see how hard it's going to be. I don't think it's going to be that hard, but we'll find out. So we're going to put the wing on her car and see how it looks. So first off, we're going to open the trunk. We are going to lay everything out. We're going to line it up without drilling and then mark it off. I will also include a link in the video description where you guys can get the wing as well. So let's just do a wider shot of before, so we know how it looks right before we put the wing on. I don't know, some people might not like wings, but my wife wanted one, and I personally like wings. So there's the two holes that we drilled. Actually, you know what, to help you guys out really big time, this will save you having to measure out like I had to. So if you take from the inside a measuring tape, the center of the hole, or let's do the edge of the left, is 1.5 inches about. Top, about the same, 1.5. So that's from across. So if you take from the outside, you can go 1.5 and drill there, and then down here it's same distance, but also the holes are let's see here, about 2 inches, a little less than 2 inches apart. So let's do it from the top, it's going to be easier. So from the far left, about almost 2 inches. So give or take a little bit, but almost 2 inches. Alright, now let's go ahead. As well as screwing, I'm going to also be putting 3M, double-sided 3M tape as well, just for some extra support. So now I want to make sure that everything is lined up. So here's the gap, about 1/2 thumb. That side, about 1/2 thumb on that side. So we're good, we're lined up. Make sure the back is going to be pretty much close to flush. Yep. All right, we got it lined up good. Yeah, so now I'm going to line 3M tape underneath. You know, you won't be able to see it. It's thin 3M tape, but it's just going to be an extra precaution. Again, for all the products that I'm using, links will be in the video description where you guys can check them out. Also, before you do this and before you mount it, especially if you're putting 3M tape on, make sure you clean off the top lid. You know, follow the instructions, but also kind of do it yourself. Alright, now we got the tape on. We're going to go ahead. Alright, so we are finished. And I think it looks good. So we're going to go show you up close. Now it just needs a good old bath.